Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into length retention 101, and we're starting with one of the most underrated steps in a wash day routine, pre-pooing. If you struggle with dryness, breakage, or tangled hair on your wash days, then this is for you. I will be showing you how I use flaxseed gel to pre-poo my type 4 hair and why this step is a game changer in my length retention challenge. Before I show you how I pre-poo my hair, let's talk about what it is and why it is so important. Pre-pooing is applying a treatment on your hair before shampooing, and this is to help with nourishing and protecting your hair. So what pre-poo does is it prevents excessive moisture loss when you're shampooing your hair. So when it comes to pre-pooing, it prevents moisture loss that is caused by shampoos. So this leaves your hair feeling soft and hydrated. So this step reduces tangles on your hair as well as prevent breakage. So it makes detangling so much easier, and that is why it prevents breakage as well as removes all the tangles on your hair. Have you ever struggled with dry, stiff hair during your wash days, especially after shampooing? This happens because shampoo strips away all that moisture that is on your hair. So pre-pooing creates a protective barrier which protects your hair in retaining moisture, especially when you're cleansing your hair. Since I started this length retention challenge, pre-pooing has been a game changer for my hair. It has really helped me in retaining so much moisture in my hair. It has helped with detangling. Detangling has been so much easier, and my scalp feels healthier now more than ever. So what has been happening is I've been getting less shedding, as well as my hair feels stronger and more manageable, and moisture retention has improved significantly. It has also helped soothe my scalp and reduced itchiness on my scalp, especially since I use flaxseed gel, which has amazing benefits for both hair and scalp. There's more to this when it comes to the scalp, which I will tackle this in the scalp episode. So if you want to know about how to keep your scalp clean and how to get rid of itchiness, dandruff, flakes, as well as learning ways to stimulate your hair growth, then be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So now let me show you how I make my homemade flaxseed gel. So step 1 is get flax seeds, put them in a pot, then add your water. I use a ratio of 1 to 3 or 1 to 4 depending on the thickness that I want. Step 2, put it in a stove, allow it to boil on medium-high heat. Once boiling, allow it to simmer for 10 minutes or until the gel starts forming. Step 3, once the gel is ready, turn off the stove and sieve it using a cheesecloth or any kind of cloth that you have. The consistency is thick, so you'll need to squeeze it a little bit and try not to burn yourself. So just allow it to cool it a little bit because you're going to burn your hand. So yeah, please try and avoid sieving it while it's too hot. But do not allow it to cool too much, because once it cools down, it can be a little bit difficult to sieve it. Step 4, it is now ready to apply. Okay, so now it's time to start pre-pooing. So step 1 is section your hair into smaller sections for easier application. Step 2 is apply flaxseed gel from roots to ends, making sure your strands are fully coated. Step 3, gently detangle using your fingers or a wide tooth comb. Step 4, cover with a plastic cap and let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour before washing your hair. Flaxseed gel is rich in omega-3 fatty acids as well as vitamin E. So this promotes hair growth, it reduces frizz as well as enhances curl definition. Plus it's lightweight and it won't leave buildup on your hair or your scalp. If flaxseed gel is not for you, then don't worry. There are other pre-poo treatments that you can use. So there's aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel soothes the scalp and strengthens the hair. There's also coconut oil as well as olive oil. So this deeply penetrates and prevents protein loss. Another one is Ayurvedic treatment. So there's amla, fenugreek, and hibiscus. And there's so many other Ayurvedic treatments that you can try. And this strengthens and promotes hair growth. Then you can also use store-bought pre-poo treatments. So just look for the ones that have hydrating and nourishing ingredients. So let me know in the comments what's your go-to pre-poo treatment. So that's everything you need to know about pre-pooing and why it's an essential step in this length retention challenge. If you're serious about growing long and healthy hair, then make sure you're protecting your hair before you shampoo. So if you found this helpful, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural hair care tips. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss my next video in the length retention challenge series. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.